Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to show you how I put together my steampunk hat. And I really felt like this was the best part of my cosplay. Now, you've probably seen some photos of my steampunk cosplay costume on Instagram. I was really proud of that cosplay because I felt like it was one of the first ones that I've taken really serious and just put a whole lot of effort into. I did actually go to a steampunk event here in town, and I did win the steampunk costume contest that day. So it was really exciting and really motivating. And I wanted to show you how I put together my hat. I ordered a handmade leather hat from online, and I really liked it. It was expensive, so I didn't want to ruin the hat by gluing stuff to it, so I had to get creative when deciding how to put everything on the hat, because I did want to put a bunch of stuff on there. I had a scarf that I felt was about the right size for this hat, and I used it to measure the material that I would cut. I ordered my shirt for this cosplay online and was able to find the exact same material the shirt was made out of at Joann Fabrics, which was awesome because I did want those two things to match. So now I'm folding it and going to fix it onto the hat and make sure that the edges are not showing. The first thing I'm putting on the hat is my goggles. I'm going to hide the strap under the scarf. Okay, so the theme of this cosplay is that I'm an apothecary steampunk character. An apothecary is a person that makes potions and tonics and is often seen using a lot of herbs and animal products. And these are used to make poisons, cures, spells, and stuff like that. So every item I make for this cosplay will lead into that, so that when someone sees me, they will know that I'm an apothecary. I love steampunk, but I wanted to not just be another steampunk dressed girl. I wanted to be my own character with a story. I ordered these taxidermy bird wings off of eBay from Europe. They're from a blue jay, I think, but these blue jay look a lot different than our American ones. So the wings are real, and they are fantastic. Now remember I said I didn't want to ruin the hat? Well, I'm going to glue everything to the scarf and goggles so that they'll be able to be removed and will not damage the actual hat. So I'm going to try to figure out where to put everything and then start gluing. I'm using a hot glue gun for this. I have a couple of vials that I'm going to glue to my hat. The first one I'm going to fill up with lavender leaves, and I'm going to glue the corks into the bottles to make sure that they don't spill while I have my costume on. I'm adding more glue to the back of the wings because I want them to sit tighter on the hat. I'm going to slide the back of this paintbrush in between the hat and the scarf to make sure that the wings are not sticking to the hat through the scarf. And of course, what's steampunk without some gears? This next thing I'm taking out is a snake skin. This isn't from my snake, it's from a wild snake I relocated during winter. And now I'm doing a third vial with rose petals. And that completes my hat! Thanks for watching this video, and let me know if you want to see more of the items that I made for my steampunk apothecary cosplay. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!